The differences between FXAIX and VOO tracking funds are primarily based on their structure and trading mechanisms. FXAIX, a mutual fund, trades based on end-of-day net asset values, making it suitable for long-term buy-and-hold investors who are not concerned with frequent trading. In contrast, VOO, an exchange-traded fund, trades on stock exchanges throughout the day, offering more flexibility and allowing investors to buy and sell when the market is open. As a result, VOO is more suitable for investors who prefer trading flexibility and real-time transactions. The availability of these funds also differs. FXAIX is exclusively available through one platform, while VOO can be purchased through various platforms, including major brokerages. This difference provides varying levels of convenience and choice when selecting an investment vehicle that tracks the S&P 500 index. By choosing VOO, investors can execute trades when the market is open, allowing for more timely responses to changing market conditions. Overall, VOO's ease of access and trading options make it more attractive. On the other hand, FXAIX has no minimum investment requirement, making it accessible to all investors and allowing them to start with any amount. In contrast, VOO requires an initial investment of $3,000, which may pose a barrier for some investors. Therefore, FXAIX is preferable for those beginning their investment journey with limited capital. Despite these differences, both funds share some similarities. They both passively track the S&P 500 index, aiming to mirror its performance, and have low expense ratios, with FXAIX having a slightly lower expense ratio. However, these ratios are subject to change over time. In terms of comparison, FXAIX is a better option for those with limited capital due to its lack of a minimum investment requirement. On the other hand, VOO's trading flexibility and broader market access make it a more attractive option for those who value these features. Ultimately, the choice between FXAIX and VOO depends on individual investment goals and preferences.